Hello, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to fix error code 280 in Roblox PC or laptop. If you're ready, as the first step, type Control Panel into the search bar and open it. Then click Uninstall a program. Find the Roblox player in the list. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Once the uninstallation process is complete, type Run in the search bar and open it. Type %local app data % in the Run command and click OK. Then find and delete the Roblox file in this folder. As a final step, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Then click on any game. Click the play button. And then click the Download Roblox button. Run the downloaded Roblox player installer file and reinstall Roblox. After the installation process is complete, it's advisable to restart your computer before running Roblox player. I hope this how to fix error code 280 in Roblox PC tutorial video helped you fix your error. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.